Are you getting the Windows Repair System 32 error on your PC? So you will see the options to shut down or click Advanced Options. So this time, click Advanced Options. And then from there, hit Continue or Troubleshoot or turn off PC, or you can use a device or use another operating system. So for this one, we will try the troubleshoot. You can either reset this PC or click Advanced Options. So I did Advanced Options. You can do Startup Repair, or you can this time do the command prompt. In the command prompt, you are gonna initially see this Windows System 32. So what you want to do is to type D colon then enter. Then you will see this, and from there type dir, enter. From here you will want to take a look if you see the Windows directory, because that's what we're trying to fix. So since I didn't find it, type C colon instead and enter. Then type dir again, and here's what we're looking for, the Windows. So once you see the Windows in the directory, follow these steps. Type \config, enter. If you already have it there, you will see that message, but if not, you will then have created the config directory, and type copy space asterisk dot asterisk space backup. If you already have the backup, you're just gonna override it, but if not, you're still gonna hit yes when it asks for you to copy the backup, and this is what you will see. From there, type cd space regback, then hit enter. Then type copy space asterisk dot asterisk space dot dot, enter. Then you should see regback, and then from there hit or type exit. Then it should prompt you to the command, to the option to turn off your PC. So turn off the PC, and in some computers this should fix it. So let me know if this step fixed it for you. If not, then it's going to be the same for both of us, because it did not fix it for me.